Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 16th of December 2019. So the headline really for Friday is deal on, risk off, sell the news. So let's see what the market's reaction was to the so-called China deal. So it keeps dominating the news. The deal isn't done yet. There's still something to do in January, like sign it off. But we'll wait and see. However, the market's reaction on Friday, you can see in the pre-market session, prices moving to the downside there. And then we saw the buying coming in at the DP level. You see the DP level there. See the reversal of the selling. And then the market trading up to the high of Thursday. And you've also got prices closing above the 200 MA. But not for long, as the market shows selling there. We can see this here. And then prices try to come back, but are then hit with further selling, and prices trading all the way back down. And then eventually managing just to levitate higher back to the DP level, where they trade sideways for the remainder of the trading session. So some volatility in the first part of Friday's session. We had a range in the initial move up there of 220 points, and then to the downside we're going to have more. The total range was 263, so a nice bit of movement there for the Dow on Friday. Now, news this week. Let's have a look here. As we head into Christmas, it's a busy one today. We've got European news, quite a bit of that to kick off with. Then we've got GP news, GBP, US, and then back to the UK at 4 p.m. for the bank stress test. I was just checking the times are right. That's why I was pausing. So yeah, we've got all of the flash stuff from Europe, and then from the UK, US as well, and then the stress tests results on around 4 o'clock. And I should imagine that they will be fine. There won't be a problem there. It's the US at the moment with the repo is the issue. So nothing for Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got CPI from the UK. We've got also retail sales from the UK, and the Monetary Policy Office rates vote to see how many actually voted for rates to remain unchanged, and those who wanted it to increase. That's on Thursday. And then Friday, we've got the current account figures for the UK. So no US news this week. So in essence, there's not a lot to move the US markets. So again, it's going to be whatever Trump sends out is going to move the stock markets. We're in the run up to Christmas as well, which can be quite quiet as well. I would imagine that the markets will be even more quiet come a week today, when it's the 23rd of December, as we go into the Christmas week and celebrations. So implied volatility, let's have a look at this. We saw this drop markedly on Friday, moving back down to levels we've not seen for a while. And again, this is consistent with a correction. Will it be before Christmas or in the new year? Who knows? But there are some warning signs here as you look and see how far the implied volatility is pulled back during Friday's session. You can see how all these other lows preempted a market correction, and here as well. So again, forewarned is forearmed. And what I've done here is also include a screenshot of all of the implied volatility that I have going back to 2006. And you can see where we are in relation to where the market is at the moment. So if we draw across here, you'll see that we're heading back towards those lows where we saw some major corrections in the markets. And finally, let's have a look at Bitcoin. As you can see from the daily chart, we're still stuck in a sideways range. This is the last week. Very quiet. Same in the 4 hour over the weekend, apart from a move down and a short move up. It's been very quiet. Yesterday we saw a $150 move to the upside, stopped at the 200 MA, and has since then traded sideways and coiled once more with a bit of a shakeout here, bringing the market back, but no volatility in this market at the moment. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there is anything else to report, I will let you know, but otherwise expect a quietish week. Maybe famous last words if the repo market falls apart, as predicted by one of the articles on Zero Hedge last week, where they said they were expecting a market crash this week. We'll wait to see, but I doubt this very much. Can't see the Fed getting indigestion during the Christmas celebrations. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.